What up, YouTube? Just got the FMF pipe in from my 2017 Husqvarna FE350. So just doing an unboxing and a swap out, and going to show a few some audio readings from stock versus the FMF 4.1 pipe. But let's see what we got. Very silencer and a little snap ring. Hold it in the end cap there. I believe this is the adapter ring that goes onto the header piece for the slip-on. Some literature and of course a cool FMF sticker. And the main. So I got to inspect this because from the looks of it, when they delivered it, they tried setting it up against the wall and did it in a hurry. So in the video it shows them tipping it over, and the lady tries to grab it and she doesn't make it in time. And it fell. But and everyone's favorite, the butt plug. Alright. Doesn't look like there was any damage from the drop. They packaged it well, so there she is. Ordered it on partsgiant.com for $3.99, no tax, no shipping, out here to California. But it did take them about a week and a half to get it to me, so that was the shitty part. But it's not like I really needed it, but I'm always anxious when I get a shipment. I like Amazon Prime, and this definitely was not Amazon Prime, or Rocky Mountain ATV, or BTO, or anybody. Redzilla, all those places ship relatively fast. To us out here in California, anyways. So the instructions for the snap ring, putting on the silencer. Oh, quite a few FMF stickers. Cool. Silencer, spark arrestor. On this, it's my 2017 FE350, like I said, with the stock exhaust, stock header. Got a few mods on it, but nothing too crazy. Anyways, just wanted to start this up and do a decibel meter on the stock exhaust, just so you have a baseline and then you can see how much louder the FMF pipe is. I'll do it without the the spark arrestor, and then toss the spark arrestor in, see how much that quiets it down. But my cousin's got the same pipe and things still sounds way better with the spark arrestor. Anyways, let's fire this up, check the meter, and then get this thing installed. See. looks like I'm getting about between 82, 88. Yeah, that's me talking. Come around over here. About 87, 88. Alright. Alright, so to do this install, you just gotta remove this little 6mm bolt holding on your plastic on this side. Pop it. Pop it. Slides right off. Then you just got two 12s, I believe it is. Maybe 8s. Yep, 8mm. A little washer on there, so don't lose that. And your exhaust is just going to slide right off. So there's just a nice side-by-side. So you can see it's going to look much cooler, like I told my wife. So that adds 5 horsepower, just the cool factor. Also, it's going to open it up. I mean, got the exhaust port. It's just massive on the FMF, of course. Going to let a lot of that exhaust get out. Open it up through the whole range. And it's titanium. It's much lighter. Got the carbon fiber tip. So, all in all, badass pipe. So this is the adapter collar. I believe goes on. I don't know if it's for stock pipes to the FMF slip-on. Not sure if you have to use it when you're putting it on FMF header pipe or not. I could probably tell you if I read the instructions, but who reads instructions? Come on. Anyways, just has a little lip on the one end, and looks like it just slides right in. Just kind of sits nice and flush there. And we'll go slide this thing on. Alright, so the other thing is these rubber mounting washers and spacers will need to be removed and placed on the new pipe. So you can take a flathead screwdriver or the back of a knife. Just try not to damage the rubber spacers. and just reinstall through these. Little ones, there are two different sizes here. Little ones are on the back side. Yep. That's that. And they said to use some sort of contact cleaner. I'm just going to use some brake cleaner. Get off with my garage rag here, where the new slip-on's going to touch the existing. It's fine to me. Little insert in the pipe here. Get it slid on. Reinstall those 8mm bolts. Going nowhere. Goes. And she's on. Alright, so plastic's on, pipe is on, spark arrestor is out, wide open. So let's fire it up. love it. Alright, so got the little keeper spring, and the one side does have the tab. That's going to be to the outside, and got the smooth side inside, so you're going to just kind of peel it apart, separate it, just kind of get it in there. Use a little screwdriver, get it seated. There's a little groove back in there that it'll just catch once it gets started. And it says just work your way around counterclockwise. And that's the little click you'll hear when it hits that groove, and that's in. Not coming out. So now let's see how much of a difference that made with the decibel level. We're getting about 100 dB with no spark arrestor previously.